Alright, buddy. Today I'm at a park and I bought some food and I'm just gonna eat here and chill here with my wife and kids. But, my wife took the girls to the bathroom and here's me and Cabe. We're sitting here waiting for them. Hi, Cabe. Say hi. Anyways, I'll show you guys what I got. Okay, I got a coconut drink. I bought a pad thai with some beef stir fry. And stuffed chicken wings. Some papaya. Some pork grinds to go with the papaya. And a naan, I think these are called naan sausage. Alright. This is it for now, but when I start eating it, I'll show you guys.